So in this video, I'm going to show how to assign the braces, automatic braces for our structure. Yeah, of course, we can assign braces for the top view or side views. So let me expand the structure. So let us go for the right click and click on add modify grids. So let us add two more bays. So click on modify or show grid. So in Y direction, I'm just going to assign two more grids. Click on OK. And similarly, I want to add some 3 to 4 stories and click on refresh view and automatically it has been refreshed. So click on OK. And if you want to see the dimensions, you can go for the plan view, click on story 4 and click on apply, click on OK. So here I want to replicate this one for the remaining base. Okay. So I'm just going to select the whole 3D structure which we have defined in earlier video. So you can go for replicate, Control R. In Y direction it is 3 meters, so that is 3 meters and I want to get two numbers. Okay, so it has to be repeated for 2 times. So click on apply and we got the whole structure like this. Okay, similarly I just select the whole structure and go for the Control R and I want to copy it for number of stories here. So let us make this all the things 0 and go for the story. Okay, we need to keep some number here. Yeah, so going for the story, I want to copy it for story 1, 2, 3. Okay, and click on apply. We will be getting the whole structure like this. Okay, and then we need to define the braces for this. So how to define braces is just go for assign option, and you are going to get the frame. Under just go for the draw, and you can go for draw beam, and the last option will be quick draw braces. Okay. So either you can go for this one also. If you want to draw, you can just use the normal line tool and draw, or else you can go for this option, or you can go for the draw menu, select the draw beam option, and under that option just select the last option, draw quick draw braces. And we need to select the property which we need to assign for the braces. Okay, so just select that. And if you want to go for sides, then go for the elevation and select the required elevation, click on apply, click on OK. So if you want to get for particular floor, you have to go for one story. If you want to get for all floors, go for all stories. And you are going to get the braces for all the stories like this. So let us go for the elevation and I'm going for the A view, click on apply, click on OK. And I want to create the braces in the middle like this. Okay. Similar way, if you want to create braces here on the top view of the section of the structure, so just go click on restore full view here. We are having the total view. So I want to create the braces here. Okay, so just you can create the braces like this. Okay, and if you want to see the 3D view, just click on the 3D view and the total structure has been assigned with the braces like this. Okay. And obviously we can go for the extruded view and we can toggle the transparency, and this is our steel structure with the braces. Okay, and the remaining procedures will be same. We need to analyze and design the structure. So this is all about the assigning the braces for our steel structure.